This right here is the P339 air purifier, and these are the replacement filters. This is the first time I'm going to be replacing these. They say to replace them every 3 to 6 months. I am cheap, I'm budget conscious, and so what I do is I've waited about 6 to 9 months, really pushing that 9-month mark. So I got it in the 2-pack. Ta-da! And I think that's just far more cost effective. And not only do you get all those, you also get pre-filters, extra ones. So let me show you what I've done probably every month or so since getting this, sometimes even less as it gets dusty, so that you can get some more life out of your first filter. So first of all, you can see all this dust here. There is some dog hair and that in there as well, but this is what I usually do. I grab my vacuum and I clean all this out. You can see the difference it already makes. But then after every couple of times, because they give you extras of these, I'll just take these off, throw that one away and put a new one on. But cleaning this pre-filter really does help. But this is the old filter with the HEPA and the carbon activated, all that kind of stuff. It is getting dirty in there, even if it doesn't look super dirty. After 9 months, I feel like it's not quite as efficient, obviously. So I'm now gonna replace this. So you just pull that out, and I'm gonna put one of these new ones on. They all come with a pre-filter on it already. And then it looks like I've got 2 additional ones as well. So again, the first time I open this up, I will just vacuum off the pre-filter. The next time, maybe a month later, I'll come back and just take that one off, put the new one on, then I'll vacuum it out and I'll make it last as long as I possibly can. All right, let's see, front. So it goes like this. And that's the install, guys. Let's put this back on. And then it all fires up. So again, that is the filter replacement. My recommendation is get them in 2s because you'll save money, and then clean up the old ones as much as you can for as long as you can. But don't wait until you think they're going to be just filthy, because I don't think they will be. And here's the old one. It started out with that blackish color. That's all that treated filter. They don't look filthy. But I know that it's been sucking up odor and dust and particles for 9 months. So I think it's just time to get a new one. So, all right, hope that helps. I like this brand, and excited to finally get some new filters. So these 2 will last me like a 1.5 years. I know you should go 3 to 6 months. I'm just pushing it a little bit. So maybe you're in a dustier place or more smoke, or then maybe you should dial yours down too. But just to be budget conscious, I'm going to that 6 to 9 month. Perfect world, 3 to 6 months. All right, have a good one. See you.